Hey guys, Chart Stoppers back with another video. In this channel we take a look at different stocks and map out their key support and resistance areas on their chart. It's important to know these areas before buying any stock, and it's also important to know what kind of a trend a stock is in before you buy into it. Support and resistance is one of the most important things you should know about a stock before you either buy or sell. Also, if you're doing any day trading, swing trading, or options, you're definitely going to want to get familiar with support and resistance. Just to let you know, I am not a financial expert. These videos are for educational purposes only, but I am here to point out key factors on the charts which do impact the price action of a stock. I also provided a link in the description for Webull. You could use it to start an account and get 2 free stocks. I also provided a link for Robinhood. You could use that to start an account and get 1 free stock. Just to let you guys know, we will be doing 3 videos per week on 3 different stocks, so if you have a recommendation for a video, leave a comment below and I will try to get to it. Okay, so let's get into the market today. Let's see what's going on. Today is April 6, 2021. The S&P 500 is down 0.07% today. The Dow Jones is down 0.20%, and the Nasdaq is down 0.08%. So everything is down just a little bit today. Nothing crazy today. Just about a half hour ago, everything was up. So I'm not sure what exactly happened in the past half hour causing everything to go down. But I will look into that. I'm not sure what caused this. But you could see right here, everything has took a nosedive pretty much in the past half hour. So I'm not sure what's going on, but we will look into that. Okay, so let's take a look at the stock we're going to be taking a look at today. It is Tesla. I wanted to do an update on this after the correction. You could see a lot's been going on with this stock since the correction has started. You could see right here, it is trading at $687.70 at the moment. It is down $3.57 today, which is 0.53%. And you could see on the chart here, let's actually get into the fundamentals. The market cap for this company is $666 billion right now. And the PE ratio is 1,038.69. And the 52-week high is $900.40. You could see it hit that on January 25th of this year, 2021. And you could see after it hit that 52-week high, it did, fall about 30% during this correction that we've had, and it is starting to recover a little bit in the past couple days. So that's what I wanted to talk about and see what happened during this correction. So you could see here I'm on the daily chart. I have my support and resistance already mapped out here from an earlier video I did. I will provide a link to that in the upper right hand corner. You should be seeing that now. And you could go back and look at that to see where I got my support and resistances from. But you could see we have our all-time high here, and our top resistance point of our chart is going to be at $900. We're going to be looking for this to recover and break through $900 to move on to new highs. Okay, and our support moving down from our all-time high, our first support was $780. Okay, and we lost that during this correction here, and you could see it just kept falling down. We lost our 50-day moving average right here on, it was February 22nd. It dropped below the 50-day moving average, causing it to dip even lower, and then we lost our second support, which was around $730. You could see right here, and then it just kept falling after that. It was it was like a falling knife. You could see it dropped. Our next support level was around right here at $680. You could see we lost that, and it just kept falling. Our next support we lost at $600, and it ultimately hit a low on March 5th of $539.49. But it did recover a little bit and close the day on that day at $597, recovering back up to our $600 support. But the next day you could see it closed under the support, so it almost fell to our next support, which was $540, which was, the low right here of the correction, which was about 539. So that was our next support level that it fell to, which was right around 540. Okay, and you could see right here I have my trend line drawn, my green trend line, back from right around when, let's see, my trend line starts right around here, June of last year. That's when my trend line started, and you could see it's been going up since then, and it's been hitting on this line ever since June of last year, and it's still continuing to bounce off this line, with the exception of March 5th. Okay, you could see March 5th it did dip below this line briefly during the day, but it did not close below that line. So we're still calling this a good trend line right here. Okay, so I'm going to keep going with it. Now I also have this downtrend, which is this red line right here, and you could see it's been trading in this downtrend since February 1st of this year, and you could see that it's been trading that way for a couple months now, and you could see that these two lines were going to intersect right here on April 8th. So it was either going to have to come out of this downtrend and maintain this green line, which is the uptrend, or it was going to have to break my green line and maintain this red line, which is my downtrend. And you could already see that it broke out of this downtrend, the red line, and it has maintained the green line, which is my uptrend. So it broke out of its downtrend and it has moved on to the uptrend. So as I'm zooming out here on this daily chart, you could see right here a lot of these other stocks that I've done videos on, like NEO, BNGO, I think had it. A lot of these NASDAQ stocks during this correction are going to look similar to Tesla's chart. They're all going to look similar because of this correction. You could see a double bottom here on this $600 support line right here. You could see this actually goes lower, this candle right here, but you could see it double bottom out right here, and it's starting to form a W pattern as it recovers. So you could see it came down here, came up, came back down to this 600 support line, and now it's starting to recover back up, and it's starting to form a W. And a lot of these other stocks out there in the NASDAQ, since the NASDAQ was the indice that got hit the hardest during this correction, you saw a correction of about 7, I think, or 10% in the NASDAQ. So you're seeing a lot of these stocks charts look similar to this one. So you're seeing a W starting to form as they recover from this correction. Now also, on Friday, the market was closed, but Tesla also came out with their number of cars delivered for the month, and they beat expectations by a lot. So that was also good news to cause this stock to propel upwards on Monday. Actually, they had a pretty good day yesterday on Monday, but today they're having a red day, and you would have thought that they would have had a pretty good week all this week after coming out with those numbers, but actually they just had one good day yesterday, and today it's kind of selling off a little bit. So I'm not sure exactly what's up with that, but we will see how the rest of the week plays out. So if you're looking to trade this, I would be looking for a push past 700. Once it can close above 700, that's going to be showing strength, and then the next point of resistance will be this 50-day moving average, which is around $730. So that'll be my next point of resistance after it closes above $700. And if it does break above this 50-day moving average, then it'll be on to 780. And then after it breaks through that 780, you have a big gap right here where there's no resistance at all up to 900, the all-time high. So that's just a little quick update on Tesla. I just wanted to fill you guys in on what we missed during the correction. I haven't done a video on Tesla in a while, so I wanted to get one in real quick. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos or any new content like this. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below. And we'll see you next time on Chart Stoppers.